exit the bull market sooner rather than later. Aren't we told that a bullish market is a great opportunity? Well, by the looks of it, this could be a trick. And I, Joe Blow, is here to let you know why it is not a good idea to go all out on the crypto market right now. With the charts showing the possibility of Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high, is this the time to jump in the ship or wait on the dock and look at the chance sailing away? Welcome to Joe Blow's Crypto, featuring our resident Mr. Know-It-All. Alright, so right now as I speak, Bitcoin's price is more than $66,500. Everyone is still so curious if these upward movements in the charts are going to do good in the portfolio.
At this point, people should have made a decision already, because the bull market might be coming to an end. If they are still thinking of putting their money in more Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, then it is kind of too late to ponder on that thought now. No matter how much we want to keep seeing the numbers going up, that is not just how things work. Those gains would not keep on getting bigger and bigger forever.
You mean that ship sailed already?
Oh, definitely. Remember, we had this conversation before. If you are looking to get involved in the bull run, then you should have invested your money when the market was still down. Because right now that we have entered a bullish market, there are a lot of opinions and people are mainly divided into two sides.
What are these sides? And what side are you on?
You would know what I am advocating for in the end, but yeah, crypto traders and investors are either holding on and capitalizing in on the bull run or slowly selling their cryptos one by one.
I actually understand those who want to make the most out of this opportunity, but why are there also a lot of people, including you, saying that this is not the best time to drop money on this infamous digital asset?
Like what I have discussed before, you should buy crypto when the prices are relatively lower, and then make a profit when the market hits a new all-time high. Since it is evident that Bitcoin is climbing up the charts, it would be dangerous to join the hype because there are more risks than rewards at this point.
You can't be too conservative if you want to capitalize on a bull run because, to be honest, when Bitcoin is being bullish, the chances of earning on other altcoins are also high.
That is the importance of analyzing the charts, news, developments, and other factors that affect the crypto price. Because once you know that Bitcoin has hit another all-time low, it is bound to bounce back again.
So let's say that I was able to get it on time, bought Bitcoin and other altcoins early on. What would be the next steps after that?
This brings us to our next topic, minimizing the loss in your crypto investment during a bull run. Before we proceed, I have a question for our viewers first. How do you approach things when the market is bullish? Are you team sell or team hold? Let us know in the comments section below.
Are you getting bored of talking to me that you're now seeking opinions from our subscribers? Oh well, in the cryptoverse of uncertainties, we want as much tips and learnings as we can get because then we can learn from each other's mistakes. Now, going back to our topic though, I thought that we're only going to take home wins during a bull market.
That is what most people want to believe. Come on, all those people flexing their gains, portfolios, and profits are not fully disclosing the whole story most of the time. Some people cannot even tell what is the basis in saying that we have entered a bull market.
Now that you've brought it up, can you please elaborate?
According to investor.gov, a bull market is a time when stock prices are rising and market sentiment is optimistic. This also applies to crypto. In a different article, it is said that a crypto bull run is typically marked by positive market sentiment, rising prices, heightened trading activity, technical signals, institutional adoption, macroeconomic factors, and market cycle dynamics. There are different factors that signals a bull run, which means that there are also a number of indicators that would show us when the bull market is about to end.
As you've said, I can still encounter losses even though the market is bullish. How could I avoid it?
We all wish we can avoid those bumps in the road. But nope, with risky investments like crypto, you can't always be the winner. You can only minimize losses by buying and selling at the right time.
We actually talked about that before. If you guys want to hear our conversations about that, then head on to our channel after this one to never miss any discussions that we've had. I'm guessing that everyone's waiting for this next question that I'm about to ask you. What are some of the things that we should look out for to know if the bull market is about to reach its peak?
Before I give you the details, I want you to keep this in mind first. You would have to sell one way or another because that is how you are going to make a profit.
Well, this is what I came here for anyway. Getting enlightenment on why people are talking about offloading digital assets while the crypto's bull run is still happening.
I know that you are aware about how you can make a profit in this asset class, but not everyone knows when to stop. Many are still willing to risk losing thousands or even millions of dollars just so they can earn a few more hundreds. There is no exact time or day when the bull market will hit its peak. There could only be signs, but what would happen if you decide to hold for one more day and the next day, the prices dramatically fall?
Oh boy, definitely lots of regrets if that happens to me. Thankfully, I have you to avoid that mistake. So, is this your way of telling me that I should actually sell my Bitcoin and other altcoins now?
It is a tough place to fall from this high. But before you or anyone sells any of your crypto, there are quite a few things that I want you to consider.
Of course you've got a list, you always do. Go on, I'll be taking notes.
1. You must study the charts and previous bear and bull runs. You might see a pattern there. 2nd, watch out for news, updates, changes, or developments that might affect the crypto prices. 3rd, set benchmarks and profit targets just so you would know when to exit your funds. In this post made by user Rect Capital on X, the trader and analyst explained this. He said, historically, Bitcoin has peaked in its bull market 518 to 546 days after the halving. However, Bitcoin is showing clear signs of acceleration in its current cycle by approximately 260 days. This therefore may cut the typical cycle length in half. Some of the analysis of experts and seasoned traders online could be a great basis on deciding what targets to set and what strategies to use.
Some loaded information there. Whew. Now, let me summarize what we've covered. Selling is part of this game, but you do not just blindly sell without any directions or inputs. Of course, people could put their money on crypto anytime they want. We do not have control over that. But if you want to make a profit, then this is not the best time to get involved as the prices are starting to soar. Hence, it would be quite a fall if you're not able to manage your losses. You can sell some of your altcoins, which are no longer winning these days, to minimize the losses, but this is also no time to experiment on strategies. That must be done before going all out in the crypto market. Selling your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies would still depend on your targets and studies on when the bull market would likely end.
Love talking to you, Joe. Keep my wheels turning for our next topic.
I hope you guys enjoyed listening in to my conversation with Mr. Know-It-All as much as I did. If you want to learn more about crypto-related topics and discussions, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on that bell on your notifications. Excited to know more about other cryptos like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu? Then join us in the next videos. No stones would be left unturned with me, Joe Blow, and of course, Mr. Know-It-All. We'll see you on our next one.